Here's one way to add a new stratum into the geological description sheet when you've already finished with the borehole in the previous rows. Here we've got borehole 109, but I now want to subdivide this stratum here. The sheet is protected, so I can't easily insert a row without unprotecting the sheet. But I can just add the new row at the bottom of the sheet like this. Let's say that's from 4 to 6.5 meters. Let's choose some geology. Let's go, this is just random for the demo. Let's edit the base of the previous one to be the top of the new one. So now how do we get this stratum to sit in the correct place in the spreadsheet? Click and hold and drag across the whole populated area of the sheet. So now we've got all our rows selected. Then go to the Data tab and click the Sort button. We're going to sort by two levels here. We're going to first sort by the local ID column, but I'm not going to include the headers. So I'll uncheck this. My data has headers unchecked. Sort by column B, order A to Z, and then we'll add another level and we'll sort by column C, which is the top depth. Sort by A to Z. Now this is a number, but it should pick that up in a moment. So if I click OK, check on sort anything that looks like a number as a number, so that will sort by ID and then by depth within each ID. Click OK, and you can see the two strata are now in the correct position.